Hey guys, what's up? This is B coming from G&A today. So I've got the brand new Taurus TX 22. This is their brand new polymer frame striker fired 22 LR pistol. The standard capacity is a 16 round mag. And so anyways, I just want to do a quick unboxing. I hope to get out and shoot it later today. And so you won't see this video until I've already done that. But I wanted to go ahead and video with me removing the stuff off of this and just showing unboxing. Of course, I have already looked at this at the FFL before I took transfer of it, but I just wanted to show this real quick. Okay, so you get this manual. All right, the pistol. Okay, and it's got this little strap going through here to safeguard it. All right, we'll look at that in a second. Comes with an extra mag. Here's one mag right here, and then they give a second one, so that's a good deal. And then here is the adapter, the collar adapter, I think they call it, that will adapt to 1/2x28 for a suppressor, and I will be using that, and I'll put that on in a little bit. You get a lock in there, and that's about it. Okay, I picked mine up from Sportsman's Outdoor Superstore. They had it for $309, and I did express shipping to get it here pretty quick. But $309 is probably gonna be on the high side, actually. I've seen them on for $275. If you look at Slick Guns, not Slick Guns anymore, guns.deals, and you type in the UPC code for this, you can see all kinds of places that have this listed, and there's a bunch that have it at $275 for this. And it goes anywhere from $275 up to the MSRP of $349. All right, let me get this off and be careful not to scratch the slide here. Got this little tag, read the owner's manual before. All right. I'm not going to go over a bunch of stuff. I'm kind of in a hurry right here, but so this is the TX 22, and I still don't know what the TX stands for. I've looked everywhere in documentation. I do not know what the TX stands for. But if you watch my channel at all, you know I'm from Texas, and so to me, that right there is a huge selling point. Okay. So the barrel is right there, which it looks different to me here than it did in the SHOT Show videos. Let me break this down. So I think you just barely bring this down. You pull this down. I haven't done this yet, so. Oh yeah, I got to pull the trigger. Forgot. There we go. All right. So this recoil spring, this recoil guide rod, it's definitely polymer. Yep. The spring is metal, of course, but. And then there's the barrel, and this is a thread protector right here. There is threads on this, and I hope that's not going to be real hard to get off. It's not coming off my finger, so I'm going to have to put that in a vise and get a wrench on there. I think it said that that's a 3/8 inch here, and that it's going to be 9/16 to put the collar adapter on there. But there is the barrel with the lockup system. Oh, wow, it's already got some pretty good amount of carbon buildup there on the feeder ramp. Haven't shot it all. It's not that bad. But it's definitely been fired, that's for sure. All right, and on the slide. And this is a true striker fired. Some 22 LRs just look like they're striker fired, and I've got a bunch of 22 LR handguns. I'll get them out for the last part of this video. Oh, there's already some. Turn this up. It may be hard to see, but there's some dings right here, where I guess that's where it's been shooting. Where the shell's coming out, ding the top of the slide right there, it looks like. This is a fairly small little ejection port right here. Okay, then you got rails here. Oh, I see. Okay, so that pulls down, and that's what allows the barrel. So the barrel, when you pull this little takedown lever down, it's pulling this piece down right here so that the barrel can slip in there. So the barrel is basically fixed. Whenever action is happening, you can release it real easy like that. So that's cool that it comes out that easy. That's pretty neat. Okay, and you can see there's no hammer here. Striker inside of here. Okay, the magazine catch, the magazine release is reversible. You can flip that around. All right. I did want to show this. Okay, I'm a Taurus fan. I think this is my 5th or 6th Taurus, so I'm not just being overly critical, but in this magazine, this is the one that was in the gun, there's a piece that is floating around in here. And I'm sure it'll be easy fix to figure out what's going on there, but this is another mag, nothing wrong here. This one's got something going on. In fact, let me just pull it open right now and see. Oh, it looks like it's, it has an extra little base plate on here for some reason, or the little catch. For some reason there was 2 of them in there. So anyways, well, at least I got an extra one. That's cool. All right, you got your little thumb assist on the follower here. All right. There you go, just like that. That was weird. There's 2 of those, but I got an extra one, so that was nothing to that. All right, good deal. Okay, let me put this back together. If I can figure this out. Like I said, I have not taken this thing apart yet, so I'm learning this on the fly here. Okay, that looks good. That's it. Okay. All right, looks good. Okay, the dude, Jason Pittman, all right, is the guy from Taurus that was the designer. He was on all over SHOT Show showing this thing over and over again. And in the Guns America video on this, he said this is striker fired, so it's absolutely safe to dry fire this over and over again. So I'm gonna dry fire. Whoa, yeah, that broke pretty easy. Okay, so the wall's about right there. Ooh, yeah, the trigger is really good. Wow. Resets there. I mean, once you hit the wall's right there. I mean, you're pulling it 1/16 of an inch for it to break. Wow. Yes, that is an awesome trigger. Yep, that is definitely sweet. Let me see how heavy it shows. They say it's 5 pounds. I don't think so. Yeah, right at 5 pounds. It doesn't feel like it. And you can see there that this does not have a magazine safety. So you can shoot it without a magazine in there. Safety don't want to engage. There it goes. So the safety won't engage unless the striker has been cocked back. Safety will not engage. So just like on a 1911, which kind of, but not really, because obviously this is not hammer fired, it's striker fired. But the thing is though, is if the safety is on, you can still rack the slide. So like he was saying in the video that put the slide on, and then if you need to, you can kick that round out and then show clear or whatever. All right. But safety will not go on unless it has been cocked. All right, let's load some rounds up and just see 16 fit in there or not. 14, 15, 16, and then 17th will not go in. There you go, 17 rounds. Most 22 LR handguns only hold 10. The weight feels good. It's really balanced. It's not heavy in any area, overly heavy in any area. Just feels really good. So polymer frame. The slide is 70-75 aluminum. The barrel, they say, is like some alloy steel. That's what it says on the documentation. It's got serrations on the front. It's got these pretty, I like the way that little scoop looks right there. And I guess it was necessary to be able to get to that takedown thing. It's got standard 1913 rail on it. What looks really strange to me, especially in the pictures, how this little thing kind of comes out to a V right here, but that's actually looks really cool. Makes it look pretty different. This little palm swell. My hands are about average, maybe a tiny bit bigger than average, and that feels pretty good. It's got standard 3-dot sights, and the windage and elevation are adjustable here. One of these is the windage and one is the elevation. I don't remember which one is which. I was looking at the manual last night. I just got this in today. I think this side is polymer. Yep. All of that's polymer. And then the front side is polymer also. Okay, here's the size comparison to Glock 1923 Gen 4. So you can see the slide is nearly exactly the same. It's a little bit taller than a 19. And I'm just doing this just because it's common pistol to compare it to. And it's a little bit narrower, especially in the slide, not in the grip really, but definitely narrower in the slide. Here it is compared to the Smith & Wesson MP22 Compact. So definitely bigger than that. Compared to the Browning 1911-22. And then compared to a Buckmark. Buckmark definitely longer. And compared to a Ruger 22-45 Mark III. Just a little bit longer in the frame. Actually, pretty close to the same. So with the polymer frame and an aluminum slide, this thing definitely is light. It just feels very manageable.